Hello YouTube, Joe with Joe's Shop. I thought today we would look at 50 square feet of tool storage for your shop. What do you think of that? Let's have a look. So what you're seeing now are 5 layers of storage, each comprising 10 square feet, just slightly over 10 square feet. And because it's 4-sided, it's pretty easy to find ways to store more tools. And because you can wheel it out of your way, it really becomes useful fast. That's a lot of tools. That's a lot of storage. And because everything I have in the shop is on wheels, oh, this thing's heavy. It really helps out a lot, and I mean a lot. Let's look closer. Okay, as we have a closer look, we have some gussets on each shelf, all the way around. Every shelf has a gusset under it. And they're actually dadoed in and glued and screwed all the way around all shelves to give it some integrity. Because who knows what kind of stuff we'd be on here for all the years, and didn't want any of it warping. After that, I decided we're going to have a lot of tools in and out of here, so some T-molding, even though it's as old as it is, that whole concept, it's going to keep things from getting beat up. And I got to say, this is pretty pounded, but it's a lot of years old too, so it's expected. A little tool mat on each shelf really will help you out, keep things from moving around as you're moving your cart around, if you will. And one other item I'd like to show you on the other side that is of good use too. Let's have a look. On this side, I decided I needed a tray. I wanted this to be able to pull out. So now I can easily get to whatever I need to in the back of the drawer. Pretty fast, pretty easy. And when I have this light off, sometimes I only use the light that's by my bench. The rest of the shop is turned off. So I made this little light that you can pick out a drill bit or what have you and go back to doing what you were doing without firing up the whole shop, turning all the lights on. Pretty handy. Cheesy little light. One of these, $1 at the store. Pop it into a little bracket. Works kind of neat. But again, you have more storage with more gussets, so everything is going to stay good and straight. You can see we have no deformation here, and you shouldn't ever. All I did is put some pieces of polycarbonate on the sides here, and those act as our guides to keep this from falling out. So pretty simple. You could obviously put drawer glides in here and have yourself little drawers, put some cover or drawer fronts on it and do the whole thing. But I thought I would mention this to spur on some ideas for you guys. Let me know what you think. I'm Joe with Joe's Shop, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care.